In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create halftone text in Canva. A halftone effect turns your text into those classic dotted patterns you see in retro comics and print, and we'll build it right inside Canva using tools you already have. Start by opening a template in Canva. A blank canvas works perfectly, or choose any layout if you already have a design in mind. Next, open the text menu and add a heading. Type a single letter to begin. Using one character makes it easier to preview the effect and adjust details. You can always swap the character or expand to full words once you like the look. Change the font to something bold and chunky so the dots read clearly. Sans serif. Heavy styles tend to work best for strong contrast. Resize the letter so it fills your canvas nicely. Bigger text gives the halftone more room to breathe and produces a more striking result. Now, go to Share and download your design as a PNG. Keep the default settings unless you have a specific need. A higher resolution download will generally give you cleaner dots later. Once it's saved, remove the previous edit on your canvas so you're starting fresh. Upload the PNG you just exported and place it on the canvas. With the image selected, click Edit. Choose the Blur tool and make sure you're applying it to the whole image. Increase the blur intensity. This softens the edges so the halftone filter interprets the shapes more smoothly, which results in a more even dotted pattern. Don't overdo it, just enough to round off hard edges while keeping the letter form recognizable. Go back and open the Apps section. Choose the screen tools and then select Halftone. You'll see your text convert into dots. Lower the halftone scale to control the dot size. A lower scale means smaller, tighter dots and more detail. A slightly higher scale gives bigger, bolder dots with a stronger retro vibe. Adjust until the balance feels right for your design. When you're happy with the result, save your changes. If the dots look too harsh or too faint, fine-tune by nudging the blur intensity or the halftone scale and reapplying until the texture feels consistent. Remember, strong contrast between the character and the background helps the effect pop, and large, thick letter forms tend to produce the cleanest halftone patterns. That's it. Your halftone text is ready. Download or drop it into your layout and enjoy that timeless, print-inspired look crafted entirely in Canva.